viewers, and welcome back to Planet Cryos. You wondering what came in this package? Well, I'll give you a little hint. It came from a special YouTuber as a gift that has my complete respect and gratitude. Okay, so this gift right here, it came from, like I said, a very special YouTuber in my eyes. His name is Carey Holzman, and I will put a link down in the notes, and I will try to put it in the video right here, right now. A link to his channel. And this was a gift in his mind, an appreciation to the community. He has built up a community. He's got about 340,000 subscribers as of April 14th, which is today. And he has wanted to give back to the community, so through people with contributions and stuff like that. And I'm one of the ones out of many that have been selected. I was the first one, however, to be selected, which was very nice. I am very touched. I am honored. I am extremely, deeply appreciative of him and his channel and what he has done. He has taught me a ton. I knew a little bit about computers before I got going myself, but he has just taught me a world of difference and how to go about things and how to think about things, especially with diagnosing and stuff like that. But building my own first computer was a lot easier and more straightforward when I first started, just by listening to him, watching a lot of his videos. So thank you, Carey. Like I said, I am honored to have this. It will be displayed pretty much where the box is right now. Up against the wall, well, to the back of the desk, but, so yeah, I haven't told you what it is, though, yet. So, it's actually a PC, so, it's hand-built by him. It's not just that's the primary thing for this, is it's hand-built by him, and that's what I really, really like. So it's kind of like a souvenir from him. You know, I don't know how much I'm going to actually use it, but nevertheless, it can always be used. But this is definitely something, again, like I got his one of his badges that I'm actually going to put on this computer, and I will show you it. I got it in a box right now, and it's just a Carey Holzman badge, and I'm actually going to take it off of there and put it on the computer. So that was the other gift I got from him. That was a couple years ago or something like that. So let's get this unboxed. I try to not only contribute to his channel as often as I can, but I also I try to watch it as much as I can and participate in the chat. There's quite a few people in there that I like talking to occasionally. He actually included the motherboard box, which is very nice. I actually wasn't expecting that. But, hey, okay. All right. Good wrap job. There it is. And he has nicknamed it what's called the hot dog build. And the reason why it's called the hot dog build is because these are a bunch of components that he was not looking to put together and sell, nor put as replacements into other computers for his regular customers. He was looking to give these parts away. So the hot dog build is primarily based around the case. He doesn't really like the quality of the case too much. One of the reasons why he's giving it away. And but he says I believe he says it looks good, it tastes good, but you don't want to know how it's put together. Now, I think he's referring to just the case primarily, because his work alone is actually good. The way he puts it together is actually good. Now, here's a bonus. Right down here in the corner, I'm going to see if I can bring it up here. It is signed by him. So, that is actually... I had that sideways. That was my bad. So, he's got it signed here and with the date, which is really nice. I just look like an idiot with having that. I don't know why I had that tipped the wrong direction. But, so here's the case. It's got a, I believe an RGB or an LED that runs along this diagonal piece there. And then there is the build. I don't know how much you can see that. It's kind of a dark glass, or it's not glass, it's just plexi or something like that. And there's the back. And it looks all good. So, you'll watch him. I'll also post another video, and I'll post it right here, to where you can click on and watch this PC actually being built. Now, he doesn't go through the cable management, but he did that off camera, and it does look like he took the motherboard back out and snaked up the power supply up to the CPU power, for the CPU power on the motherboard. So that all looks good. So yeah, I'm really psyched about having this. This is really nice. It's just because it's built by him, and I've been watching him since I want to say 2015-ish, right around there. So yep. Oh, why that one? Oh, that's probably to hold the wrap on. So yeah, I'm excited to do this. We're going to get this plugged in and just boot it up to Windows and see what happens. I'm sure it'll boot. Okay, so all I did was move this PC over. I don't have a spare monitor other than the two that you've seen before. So I moved the PC over a little bit. I hooked up my wireless keyboard, and I have just a wired mouse as a spare. So I'm going to bring you over here so you can see. Okay, so we have our HDMI cable plugged in. We have our mouse and our keyboard plugged in. Our power is plugged into the wall, and our power supply is now off. I had to flick it to the off position, and we're going to plug in our power. Turn the power supply on, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be the first time it's going to boot in my hands. Built by Carey Holzman. Rear fan spinning, the CPU fan spinning. Our front LEDs are working. And if we go over here, we are booting into Windows right now. And what was that, about 10, 12, 13 seconds, if that. Very nice. Very nice. All right, that is all. That is very nice. Like it. It's like a purple color. All right, I guess I'll take off this panel here just so you can see. This should probably be installed and deinstalled with it laying down, but that's okay. So there's the inside of it. Clean cable work. Room to upgrade, you know, more RAM and put a graphics card in if I wanted to. Like he said, there's two USB 3.0 headers on the board. So if I ever, you know, decide to get another case, I could get a case that's got 4 USB 3.0s, or 3.1 Gen 1 or 3.2 Gen 1 is what they're calling it. So there we go. Okay, so I wanted to include this in here also, Carey, just to let you know that I went ahead and moved the M.2 NVMe from the upper slot down to the lower slot, where I had mentioned in a video that I had looked it up and I thought this one was faster. It even says on the board this is 32 gigabits a second, and this one says 16 gigabits a second. So anyway, I did a crystal disk mark within the upper slot. It was given the same results, 17 for the read and 16 for the write, I believe. So then I put it in the lower slot, and here are the results for the lower slot. So it is much faster in the lower slot. This is different, like I was saying, than your traditional H370 motherboards. That are, I think, the regular ATX boards, not the was it the micro ATX or the mini ATX, like I have here. So anyway, just want to inform you about that. Thanks. All right, well, there you have it. It boots up. It boots up great, right into Windows, and this is where it's going to sit. This is going to be its home for quite some time. And maybe I'm going to have to get you, Carey, to come over here and put your signature right on the front there, so it's nice and visible. That would be nice. Maybe I can make something, put it on the front to let everybody know it is yours, your build. But I want to thank you again, Carey. It is much appreciative, and I love it. And thank you again. So, all right, that's all I got for you guys. I guess until next time, take care and stay tuned.